Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Today we have going to discuss MSc second semester 3, that is course of laser. Now last lecture we have seen properties of laser. There are main four properties: directionality, monochromaticity, coherence. In coherence there are two types: temporal coherence, that is longitudinal coherence, and transfer coherence. And last property will be the intensity. Now in this lecture we have discussed Einstein coefficient. Einstein coefficient, or also known as Einstein relation. In 1951, Einstein postulated on thermodynamic ground state that the probability of spontaneous emission is related to the probability of stimulated emission, and the relationship between them is calculated from quantum mechanism. Einstein coefficient are mathematical quantity which are measure of the probability of absorption or emission of light by an atom or molecule. Consider two energy level energy system E1 and E2. Let N1 and N2 be the number of atoms in the ground state and excited state respectively. Absorption is a process by which a photon is absorbed by the atom, causing electron to the jump from lower energy level to the higher one. The process is described by Einstein coefficient B12, which give the probability per unit time, per unit spectral energy, density of radiation field that an electron in a state 1 with energy E1 will be absorb a photon with the energy E2 minus E1 is equal to h mu and jump to the state 2 with the energy E2. The change in number density of atom in state 1 per unit time due to the absorption will be the dN1 upon dt absorb is equal to B12 N1 rho mu. This will be the equation number 1. Spontaneous emission is a process by which electron jumps spontaneously from higher energy level to the lower one. The process is described by Einstein coefficient A21, which give the probability per unit time that an electron in state 2 with the energy E2 will be the decay spontaneous to the state 1 with energy E1, emitting photon with the energy E2 minus E1 is equal to h mu. The change in number density of atom in state 1 per unit time due to the absorption will be the dN2 upon dt spontaneous A21 N2 is equation number 2. Stimulated emission is due to the process by which an electron is induced to jump from higher energy level to the lower one by the presence of electromagnetic radiation at the frequency of transition. From the thermodynamic viewpoint, the process must be regarded as negative absorption. The process is described by Einstein coefficient B21, which give the probability per unit time, per unit spectral energy density of radiation field that an electron in state 2 with the energy E2 will decay to state 1 with the energy E1, emitting a photon with energy E2 minus E1 is equal to h mu. The change in number density of atom in state 1 per unit time due to the induced emission will be the dN1 upon dt stimulated is equal to B21 N2 rho mu. This will be the equation number 3. At thermodynamic equilibrium, we will have simple balancing in which the net change in the number of excited atom begin balance by the loss and gain due to the all process. Now this equation number 1, 2 and 3 arrange in the form 0 is equal to A21 N2 plus B21 rho mu v minus B1 N1 rho mu is equal to A21 N2 upon B12 N1 minus B21 N2. On dividing B12 on right side, rho mu is equal to A21 upon B12 upon N1 minus B21 upon B12. By Boltzmann factor, N2 is equal to N1 e raised to minus E2 minus E1 upon KT. Rho mu is equal to A21 upon B12 upon e raised to E2 minus E1 upon KT minus B21 upon B12. According to Planck radiation law, for value of T, A21 upon B12 is equal to 8 pi h mu cube upon c cube. Rho mu is equal to 8 pi h mu cube upon c cube upon e raised to minus E2 minus E1 upon KT minus B21 upon B12, where mu is the refractive index of the medium. When an atom with two energy level is placed in the radiation field, then B12 is equal to B21, equation number 4. Hence rho mu is equal to 8 pi h mu cube upon c cube upon e raised to bracket E2 minus E1 upon KT minus 1, and A21 upon B12 is equal to 8 pi mu cube upon c cube. This will be the equation number 5. Equation number 4 and 5 are called as Einstein relation between coefficient A21 and B21 and constant B12. B21 and A21 are known as Einstein coefficient. Now this will be the Einstein coefficient or Einstein relation. Thank you so much.